I'm Roberta, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're talking about one of the classic condiments in Vietnamese cooking, crushed roasted peanuts. We start with some lovely raw shelled peanuts. We pop them into a tray and we're going to pop them in the oven at about 180 degrees for around 12 to 15 minutes, depends on your oven and your peanuts, I guess. We'll give them a good shake and a stir after 7 minutes, and then we'll keep a really close eye on them from about 10. And really it's just a case of giving them a toss around in the oven until they're a nice even golden colour, and then we're going to crush them. So after about 12 to 15 minutes in the oven, they're a lovely golden colour like this. We're going to pop them in a freezer bag and pound them with a rolling pin. Not just any rolling pin, this was my Nana's rolling pin. You can put them in a spice grinder, you can put them in a mortar and pestle, whatever you prefer. I quite like the control of rolling them over with a rolling pin. So I just give them a good pounding with the rolling pin. In fact, rolling with the rolling pin is probably a quicker way to do it. You have to be a little bit careful. You don't want the bag to break and they go everywhere. As I said, do it in a mortar and pestle if that's what you're more comfortable with. That bag's just broken there, I think. If you're going to do it in a food processor or a spice grinder, be very careful you don't take them too far. That's why I prefer this method, and I guess I'm just a bit too lazy for the mortar and pestle method. So there they are. I think that's about where we want them. And now we can just undo the bag and pop them into a container. Again, you don't just do as much of this as you need. You do enough to last you a week or two, because you're going to put that into sauces, you're going to scatter it over salads, over noodle dishes, all sorts of things.